The Guite Road Chief Association, while carrying out a survey along the ongoing Guite Road construction in Churachandpur district, found anomalies in regards to the muck disposal from the ongoing road construction. As per locals, disposal of muck has been carried out at areas which were not officially arranged and specified, leading to destruction of plantations along the road. Reportedly, officials of private companies engaged by NHIDCL, including MNS, were asked by the Chiefs Association to dispose the muck in a manner which will not destroy the forest along the road stretch.
Right.
So, the muck disposal areas have been selected in different parts in a span of 10 kilometers each. But this is package 4 where we are standing in, and muck has been dumped, land has been dumped here randomly. So this is my farm. I planted 40,000 teak saplings here, 40,000 in number.
Okay.
And so this is my plantation, and because of this muck disposal, random muck disposal, my farm is totally destroyed. Half of my trees are gone, along with bamboos and some other plants also. So in this regard, complaints have been made to concerned departments. One complaint was made to BIPL, the other was made to NHIDCL, and then another was submitted to our DC's office. But this far there hasn't been any response. So what I request from this news is that the concerned departments, they see this and they take measures to prevent this, and also what should be done regarding this plantation which has already been destroyed. So out of 40,000, nearly maybe 1/3 or half have been destroyed. So there must be something that could be done regarding this, and that is my request.
Okay, can you tell me how many muck disposal site is there along the Guite Road from Singa to especially Sinzo?
No, there will be way too many, I can't count.
Well, the construction of National Highway 102B, spanning 141 kilometers, was officially taken up in 2020 under National Highway Infrastructural Development Corporation. The road is about 110 kilometers from Singnad to Tuivai River and divided into 5 portions.